Hey ladies, we'll start at the top of our mat. Clasp the hands and bend the knees. Then stand tall, pull the hands to chest, bend the knees, press the hands forward, and rise to stand, releasing the hands. Try again. Pull up, press forward, rise, and release. We'll go 3 more. Up, forward, way overhead, and circle the hands down. Keep going, bending and straightening the legs, just warming up. Press forward and rise. Let's stay tall now, and we'll side bend to the right, come to center and to the left. So we'll turn and face the left side of our mat, arms out wide, warrior 2 on the right. Inhale to center, exhale, warrior 2 on the left. And just keep moving side to side, turning one set of toes in, the other one's out, pumping the arms up and then down in line with the shoulders. Nice long spine, knees open in line with the toes. Nice. You can start to rotate and look over the bent knee now, just to add in another dimension. Stay nice and tall, arms super straight and strong the whole time. Bending deeply into that lunging knee. A few more here. Coming to center, turn the toes out and squat nice and low with the arms reaching out. Lean to the right ankle, center, to the left ankle, center. Now reach behind the right ankle, come to center, behind the left ankle, and center. Keep going forward, forward, back, back. That's it. Keep going side to side, arms nice and straight. Our goal is to keep the hips low and stay really stable through the lower body as we're crunching from one side to the other. Push off the right foot, tip a bit forward, extend the elbows to straight, they're tucked into our sides, and lift the right foot up. So we're keeping that right knee bent. It's in the same position the whole time. You're just pressing the heel up. Every time you press the heel up, you extend the elbows to straight. Nice. Keep the hips as square as you can, the tummy tight, and focus on triceps, back of our arms, and that right glute. Squeezing every single time we extend.